Hello students, let me see question number 4 from exercise 1.4. Assuming that the following statements are true. P. Sunday is holiday. Q. Ram does not study on holiday. The first question is the Sunday is a not holiday or Ram studies on holiday. We want to express this statement in symbolic form. First of all, let me write its a symbolic form and we want to state the truth value of this statement. Its a symbolic form is, see, the first statement is Sunday is a not holiday and the P is nothing but Sunday is holiday, means it is nothing but the negation of P. If I am writing here negation of P, or is used here, means it is nothing but the disjunction, therefore or. Again, Ram studies on holiday, it is again the negation of Q, therefore writing negation of Q. This is the symbolic form of a given statement. Now let me put the truth values of P and Q. Now P and Q both are true, therefore it is nothing but negation of T or negation of T. Okay, negation of T is nothing but F or negation of T is nothing but F, which is equals to false or false is nothing but false. Okay. Similarly, let me express question number 5. Here also, if P, he swims, Q, water is warm, give the verbal statement for the following. Now we want to give the verbal statement for the given symbolic form. P implies and implied by negation of Q. Let me write its verbal form. P is nothing but he swims. Implies and implied by means if and only. If you can write if and only, if otherwise you can write simply IFF. Negation of Q means water is not warm. Similarly, for the second one, Q and negation of P. Q is what? Water is warm. And negation of P means he not swims. In this way, you can express any statement in its verbal form. Let me see the exercise 1.5. The question number 1 from 1.5. Use the quantifiers to convert each of the following open sentences defined on N into a true statement. Now we want to use the quantifiers. Quantifier means which one? For all, there exists. These are the quantifiers mainly we are using. Let me see the first question. X square plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Now this is what? This is the quadratic equation. First of all, we want to find their roots. We know to find the roots. Again, let me see. X square. Here the multiplication is nothing but minus 10 and the sum is plus 3. Therefore, there exist two numbers 5 and 2 whose multiplication is minus 10. See, 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. 5 minus 2 means plus 3. Okay. Therefore, x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10, which is equals to 0. Let me take x common from these two factors. X taking common. What remains? X plus 5. Again here also minus 2 taking common. Again in the bracket what remains? X plus 5. X plus 5 into x plus 5. Let me take outside. What we get? X plus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. Which implies x equal to minus 5 or x equal to 2. Now see, the set is defined on set of natural number. Now we want to check whether the values of x are belonging to the same set or not. Since x equal to minus 5 does not belongs to the set of natural number and x equal to 2 which belongs to the set of natural number, means x equal to 2 satisfies this equation from set of natural number. Therefore, there exists only one number, not minus 5 satisfies, minus 5 also satisfies this equation, but it does not belongs to the set of natural number. We want to take the elements from the set of natural number. Therefore, we are taking only one element x equal to 2. It is the particular element and it is the single element. Therefore, we are taking particularly here there exist. There exist means तिथे exist आहे असा अर्थ. There exist x belongs to n such that x square plus 3x minus 10 which is equals to 0. It is a true statement since x equal to 2 belongs to n satisfies this equation. So in this way you can prove x equal to 2 from set of natural number satisfies this equation. Therefore this is the first of all true statement and we are using the quantifier as there exist. Okay. Similarly for the second one, n square is a greater equal 1. Okay. You may check for set of natural number starts from what? 1, 2, 3 and so on. For taking any number from set of natural number, its square is always greater equal 1. You can see if you take n is equals to 1, 1 square is greater equal 1. Again you can take n is equals to 2. 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 is also greater equal 1. You can take also 3. 3 square is 9, which is also greater equal 1. In this way, for any number belongs to set of natural number, it satisfies the condition n square is greater equal 1. Means all the elements from set of natural number satisfies this condition. Therefore, we are using the quantifier as for all. For all we are writing in mathematically like this. Okay. For all n belongs to capital N such that n square is greater equal 1. It is a true statement since n is equals to 1 to so on belongs to set of natural number satisfies n square is greater equal 1. Okay. Now let we see the last question from this. Y plus 4 is a greater than 6. Now we want to check whether this condition holds for all elements belongs to set of natural number or not. तर काय केलं पाहिजे, सेट ऑफ नॅचरल नंबर मध्ये नंबर कुठून स्टार्ट होतात तर 1 पासून स्टार्ट होतात. मग आपण पहिल्यांदा y इक्वल टू 1 घ्या. 1 + 4 म्हणजे किती येणार 5. वेदर 5 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 6 नो. मीन्स y इक्वल टू 1 ला ही कंडिशन होल्ड होत नाही. त्याचप्रमाणे y इक्वल टू 2 घ्या. 2 + 4 म्हणजे काय येणार 6. अगेन 6 इज नॉट ग्रेटर दॅन 6 म्हणजे y इक्वल टू 2 ला सुद्धा ही कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय होत नाही. आता y इक्वल टू 3 घ्या. 3 + 4 म्हणजे किती 7. 7 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 6 म्हणजे कंडिशन होल्ड होते. 7 ही संख्या 6 पेक्षा मोठी आहे म्हणजे y इक्वल टू 1 आणि 2 ला ही कंडिशन होल्ड होत नाही. पण y इक्वल टू 3, 4, 5 आता कुठलेही नंबर घ्या ही कंडिशन ऑब्व्हियसली होल्ड होते. म्हणजे इथं आपण फॉर ऑल घेऊ शकत नाही कारण 1 आणि 2 ही कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय करत नाही. म्हणजे 2 एलिमेंटसाठी ही कंडिशन फॉल्स ठरते. म्हणून आपण फॉर ऑलच्या ऐवजी देर एक्झिस्ट घ्यायचं. देर एक्झिस्ट y बिलॉंग्स टू n सच दॅट y + 4 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 6. इट इज अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट सिन्स y इक्वल टू घ्या आता व्हॅल्यूज 3, 4 अँड सो ऑन बिलॉंग्स टू सेट ऑफ नॅचरल नंबर सॅटिस्फाईज y + 4 इज अ ग्रेटर दॅन 6. ओके. याप्रमाणे तुम्ही क्वांटिफायर्स यूज करून दिलेला स्टेटमेंट ट्रू आहे की फॉल्स हे चेक करू शकता.